Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today you find me in Mexico with my very own K8 in my new kitchen. I spent the last 5 weeks traveling through Canada, the United States, all through Mexico. And if you're like me, you love to do the same, travel. And you don't want to be left behind, ending up in a brand new place and not having fresh Kangen water. Plus, who wants to be buying all that bottled water along the way? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to travel with your Kangen water machine and give you the tips and tricks so it can be done smoothly. I've had my system for almost 11 years and traveled all over the world with it, and it hasn't always been so easy. So today, I'm going to tell you what you need to do before you go, special parts and pieces that you want to take with you, all the things to troubleshoot so that you can actually have a really great experience on your next travel and take your Kangen water machine with you. If that sounds interesting, stay tuned. Are you new to the channel? Welcome. My name is Kreel Hutchinson. This is a place where I share tips, tricks, and all my insights on how you can maximize your Enagic Kangen water experience, both on the product and the business opportunity. If that sounds like something you're interested in, I suggest subscribing to the channel so you can get my weekly videos. Plus, if you like this content, hit the like button and drop a comment below to say hello. Let's get started. First off, why would you want to travel with your Kangen water machine? Because it's awesome. If you're like me, I want to stay hydrated all the time, and I know when I'm traveling for days, weeks, and I start to be dehydrated, I'm drinking water from other places, it just starts to really suck. And I want my K8 fresh. So I took it upon myself years ago to just get comfortable with traveling, and I purchased a travel kit from KangenCases.com. I'll leave a link in the description. That has really been fantastic. Here's some tricks before you go. If I was at home in my kitchen, I definitely want to blow into the top hose so that I can get all the water out of it. You want your machine as dry as possible. Very, very important. You never, ever want to travel with the electrolysis and enhancing solution in the chamber. I remove this, I empty all the enhancer out, I wash the container, and then I put it back in. So I'm always traveling with no liquid. Very, very important. From here, I'll unhook everything, I'll put it into my case. I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like. Check out this video I made a couple years ago of me putting my SD501 into my travel cases and some tips along the way so that your travel experience can be very smooth. And then I'm ready to go through security. Whether you're traveling by land or sea, just get comfortable with pulling your case behind you. If you don't have a Kangen case, then you can also get a small travel-on luggage. Works perfect, just wrap a blanket around the case, around the K8 or the SD501, bring all your supplies. When you're on the road, you basically need a few very important supplies. A basic tool that can slip into the case, plumber's tape, so you get rid of all those little leaks, and a very basic tool just in case you have to unscrew anything along the way. I also love my travel bag of special diverters and accessories.
All right, here's the IonFaucet page. They got great stuff here. If you go over to products and then you can go into their diverters and adapters, lots of great stuff in here. I would look at getting this Ion adapter kit. I have it, I just put it in a bag so it's easier to move. This is great if you plan on doing a lot of traveling.
And what I also do is love bringing a Kangen water bag. This is a 5-liter bag, which is great, where I can actually fill this up and take it to the airport with me, and I just let them know that I have a medical condition that I need this type of water. I give them the certificates from the company if they ask, but most people don't mind. Security just swipes it and no problem, so you can travel with these bags. They're great. Once you're done with them, you can throw them into your suitcase.
Here is the Kangen Water store in Las Vegas, and I really like their selection of bags. You can check them out right here. $6.50. If you buy in bulk, the price goes down. I have a bunch of these, and I also use them for when I'm doing some water trials.
But the real key when you start to travel is I highly recommend this Ultra E filter from Enagic. Before that, I was always concerned when I was in India, Egypt, and Mexico, because in a lot of places there's not chlorine in the water, so there tends to be a higher level of bacteria, viruses, things that can upset the stomach and make you sick. Enagic came out with the Ultra E filter a couple years ago. The Ultra E filter is a replacement for ultraviolet light. So you have the system inside, which is going to take care of the sediments, the chlorine, if there's anything in there. This will take care of the viruses and bacteria. I highly recommend it for your traveling conditions. Also, it's really good even if you want to just put one at your regular home. See how easy it can be to hook up your Kangen water machine? Here's the tap. I just redirect it. Goes through the Ultra E filter. So you just cut the hose and you put the filter in between. Then I got my fresh Kangen water. I like to drink the 8.5 when I'm in kind of harder water zones. Cheers. Just want to show you a little bit about the Kangen cases. They're absolutely fantastic. They're a hard pelican case. K8 goes in here. You can actually take your supplies. It's all padded.
Here's your KangenCases.com. This is where I bought my travel case. You can get an option for the SD501 or the K8. I highly recommend it. And also check out on this page, they have their travel tips, which will be kind of a list of everything you want to take care of when you're traveling with it.
I travel with this as travel on luggage, and so it just goes in the overhead bin. I don't want to be left without my system so that I'm throwing it underneath, you know, maybe it could be thrown around or so forth. So I travel it, carry it on, no problem. When you go through security, they'll start to ask some questions. Just let them know it's your water filter. You need this water for, you know, preventative health. It's important to you. They swipe it, it's all good, you pass through. So don't let that be a deterrent thinking that you can't travel with your system. When you are packing up your K8, make sure that you unscrew the hose and unscrew the bottom here. These can all come off so that you can place it inside the Kangen case easily and wrap them around rather than trying to bend the hoses too much, because that can create a little bit of damage. Okay friends, I hope you got some value from today's video and you feel more confident in traveling with the Kangen water machine. If you want to stay connected to me, head on over to my website, KreelHutchinson.com, and sign up for my newsletter. Until next time, change your water, change your life. I wish you the greatest health, wealth, and lifestyle freedom moving forward. Cheers.
Thanks for watching. My name is Kreel Hutchinson. I help entrepreneurs create success faster. If you like this content, then you're going to love these 2 videos I picked out for you. To find out how you can create more health, wealth, and lifestyle freedom, subscribe to the channel and visit my website, KreelHutchinson.com, to learn more.